final speech has allowed me to embrace my inner Joey Ramone, hence the purple hair, and my Canadian love for the Trailer Park Boys, hence the toot. Today, I'm going to pay tribute to Chris Pettit. And I'm going to pay tribute for the fact that I went above and beyond in 2021. 2020 ended, I got my degree, and I felt quite a bit of a hangover. The whole process was gone. 6 years accumulated into one day, and it was like, well, I put my resume out, I got feeds, I got offers, but nothing extraordinary, just ugh. I don't need ugh, I need better. So I'm going to continue amping up. I'm in this position where I work, unfortunately it's a whole drum job, but as an alchemist, I find a way to turn poop into sugar, and it allows me to get educated. I'm going to give you a little bit of my trophies that I've got, milestones that we spoke of throughout our speeches. First, what I'm going to do is part of the Workers' Comp Beast collection is an OSHA 10 card. I suggest anybody, if you're going to work in management or if you're going to work in manufacturing, have this. Management, because you understand what the laws are. Manufacturing, you're going to understand how the management tries to abuse you. This card gives me security, gives me leverage, and I use it very much. Next trophy, as you see on the previous video, this beautiful, unbelievable sweater that I got for being part of the SLA, Student Learning Academy. Still blows my mind you guys spend money on this good quality stuff and lunches. Alright, free eats for me. Next trophy, I call it a trophy, it's a labor of love. Going into that little labor thing that we did earlier, is brazing and soldering. See, my goal on taking these classes is I look in the future and I see technology getting endorsed. And I'm going to be using this for my future. I'm going to grow. Preferably hemp, growing it into construction material. Using robot technology, which a lot of this is, will help me keep maintenance and keep what I consider, what I want in business is everything in one ownership. Unfortunately, you're seeing a lot of that in business going out the window, and you can see supply chain suffering from it. I want to keep everything in-house, consolidate as much as I can to save costs. Looking at the 3-minute mark is going way past what I wanted to talk about, but again, this is a tribute to me for what I've been doing, getting me more reps on that camera. Professor McGuffin, thank you for allowing me to get back in the saddle again, and hopefully we can make some money off of this some way, somehow in the future. God bless you. Peace.